Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at Caesars Entertainment Corp. This is ticker CZR. All hail charts that look like this. Okay, so I like this chart, and here's why. Over the last month or so, you can see that Caesars has really just kind of been going sideways. Nice sideways base of consolidation. Nice tight price action, really kind of bunching together. You can see how we have the 21-day and the 8 exponential really close to price. We have a rising 50-day moving average, and we also have a little bit of complacency in this chart. You can tell that because we have the volume dropping off here. We did have two kind of big spikes of volume here, and then after that, kind of not much. So what I want to see here from Caesar is a move above a clearly defined level on volume. And that level that I want to watch is right around $58. You can see how that $58 level has acted as resistance in the past. We got above, we broke below. We got above, we broke below. Then we couldn't even get above. So that's a clearly defined level of resistance that we can trade off of. So I want to set an alert just below $58 and take a look at it. And if you see a nice big volume spike pushing price above that level, I think that you could take that trade with a stop below the breakout level. Now, technically, you could start a little bit of the stock here. But the thing is, the most recent support really is kind of down here at around 51. So if you're buying here within this range, we don't know if it's going to chop around sideways leading up to earnings, which, by the way, is coming up on November the 4th. So this could very well just kind of chop sideways and do nothing until earnings. So you don't really, in my opinion, want to buy here because, number one, you have to give it about 7% room. And number two, we don't know if the stock is going to break out after earnings, before earnings, or at all. So I think it's just worth having an alert on Caesars just under $58 and take a look at it. So I hope that video was helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades, and be sure and sign up for Dan Fitzpatrick's free stock chart of the day at StockMarketMentor.com. We'll see you next time.